A covalent bond is a chemical bonding that results from the sharing of electron pairs between two atoms.
So right now we dropped a battery in water, and the, I believe, negative end is releasing hydrogen, or separating the hydrogen gas from the water. And it should be collecting it at the top of this jar, covered in cellophane wrap so it doesn't escape. 5 minutes later, the hydrogen is still separating from the water, but there's enough gas collected at the top of the jar so it will ignite. Here I have my trusty partner Evan with the fire extinguisher. The lighter should burn through the cellophane and hit the hydrogen gas, which is flame.
Further explain the H2O experiment. So when the battery is dropped into the water that has salt in it, which its chemical formula is NaCl, so off the cation comes hydrogen, which raises up as a gas into the air section covered by the silicone wrap, and the chlorine gets mixed with the leftover H2O water that's left as the waste. And so what we're doing is H2O, we're separating a covalent bond between hydrogen and oxygen, and as waste temporarily, the sodium that's left over from the salt and the chlorine combine as or the hydrogen and the chlorine combine as HCl, which is hydrochloric acid, temporarily, but the hydrogen splits off and becomes a gas, and this is what we ignite to make the explosion. Is chemical bonding that results from the electrical attraction between large numbers of cations and anions. It works well. First, you get an empty bottle, take off the cap, and place individual small, loosely compacted balls of aluminum foil, thin enough to fit through the nozzle. Now you want to build about 5 to 10 of these, and once you have them inserted, you get the works. Find this at a dollar store. You take the works, you pour about 1 inch of it into the bottle. Not more than that. That'll do. Now you place the cap, and you want to shake it a lot to get the works into the aluminum, and then place it outside so it doesn't blow up anything, and we don't want it to be blown up, and then you wait.
Alright, it's recording.
Oh man, this will be good.
You better get out of here, everyone. Yeah!
Is it working?
Oh yeah, it's
Recording? Is it recording? It's better.
I think.
Go check.
Still.
No, Dylan, don't check.
Go check. Hurry up. Go check.
No!
Go check.
So what's happening in the works bomb is there are two components. There's aluminum from the foil, aluminum foil, and HCl, hydrochloric acid, which is the main ingredients in the works toilet bowl cleaner that can be found at the dollar store. When these two react, it creates gas, or creates a gas, and the gas builds up inside the bottle with the cap closed, and it starts to expand the bottle until gas has nowhere else to go besides either through the cap, if the cap is weak, or out the bottom to the side. Just it has to leave the bottle. And this reaction that is taking place is from ionic bonds.